Hey, how was your weekend?
Hi, my weekend was fun. I went to the park. What about you?
Good. I went to my cousin's house.
Good. Did you do anything special there?
Yes, we played video games and watched a movie.
What movie did you watch?
We watched a superhero movie. It was awesome.
I love superhero movies. Which one was it?
It was The Avengers. Have you seen it?
Yes, I have. It's one of my favorites.
Who is your favorite superhero?
I like Iron Man. He's so smart and cool.
Iron Man is great. I like Spider-Man. He's funny.
Spider-Man is awesome too. Did you eat anything special at your cousin's?
Yes, we had pizza. It was delicious.
I love pizza. What toppings did you have?
We had pepperoni and cheese. What's your favorite pizza topping?
I like pepperoni too. Sometimes I like pineapple.
Pineapple on pizza is yummy. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Puppy. Do you have any pets?
I have a cat. Her name is Shadow.
That's a cute name. What color is she?
She's black and white. What about Puppy?
Puppy is brown and very fluffy.
I'd love to meet him someday.
Sure, maybe you can come over this weekend.
Great idea. I'll ask my parents.
Awesome. We can play games and have fun.
I'm looking forward to it. Thanks for inviting me.
No problem. It's going to be fun.
See you at school tomorrow.
See you. Have a good evening.